Hare Krishna, a hearty welcome to Krishna's Cuisine. I am Bhuvan Sundari Radha Devidasi with an Ekadashi special recipe. Today we will make Ekadashi special rasmalai, which are immensely soft and juicy. Rasmalai has been our all-time favorite. I will share how to make rasmalai with all the tips and tricks. So let's get started. In a vessel, let's heat 1.5 liter cow milk. We will boil it. Keep stirring it or else it will stick to the bottom. If cow's milk is available, use it as it has less fat, and if you are going to use buffalo milk, boil it twice and remove the fat and use. Here I have taken 1 lemon's juice. It's around 2 to 3 tablespoons, and I have added 3 tablespoons of water into it and mixed. Now you can see the milk has boiled. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of diluted lemon juice at a time. Avoid adding concentrated lemon juice. Dilute and only use it. Continuously stir it. Now switch off the flame and add diluted lemon juice part by part. The milk will start curdling gradually. You can see the milk has started curdling. We will add the remaining lemon juice so that it curdles well. Now you can see the entire milk has curdled and greenish water has appeared. This water signifies that the milk has curdled well and the paneer is ready. Here I have taken a bowl onto which I have placed the strainer and a cloth. Don't take a very thick cloth. Now drain the paneer. Make sure that the green water is formed and you wait for it. Do not hurry or proceed further until the green water appears. Now wash the paneer using cold water to remove the soreness of lemon. It is very important to eliminate the sour lemon taste, so wash it 3 to 4 times. Use cold water if you have, or else room temperature water is also fine. Now squeeze it to remove excess water. How much ever you can squeeze it. Next, hang it onto the tap or keep it on the strainer itself for half an hour. Now we will prepare the milk for rasmalai. Let's take 1 liter of milk in a pan. and let it boil once. Keep stirring. Now it has boiled. Keep stirring so that all the fat or malai also gets combined. Next add half cup of sugar. Mix it once. Next add the saffron milk in which I had soaked few saffron strands. Combine it and cook it for another 5 minutes. Do not boil it too much because as the milk thickens, it would be difficult for the rasgullas to absorb. Further, we will add half teaspoon cardamom powder and 2 tablespoons chopped almonds and pistachios. Mix it well. Our rasmalai milk is ready. Now switch off the flame. Meanwhile, we will make the sugar syrup. For this, take 2 cups sugar and add 6 cups of water. That is 3 times the quantity of sugar. Add 2 whole cardamoms. Let the sugar melt well at medium flame. Stir it now and then to avoid sticking. The sugar has melted. Do not boil it anymore, just until the sugar melts. It boils once. Meanwhile, let's move to our paneer. Open it and transfer it into a plate. You can see how wonderful our paneer is. It is dry and not very moist. This is the texture we need. Now with the help of your palm, lightly soften and smoothen it. Do not apply too much pressure. As it smoothens, you will feel it. Since we are making this for Ekadashi, we are not going to add any corn flour or maida all-purpose flour. Rather, if you like, you can add some arrowroot powder. It's again optional. Without arrowroot powder, also it goes well. So I am not adding here any flour. Here I have smoothened the paneer well. You can see its texture. Now we will make small balls without cracks. Press it gently and flatten it. I am making this size of ball. You can make a little larger if you like. Do not make too large balls as they will enlarge double size in the sugar syrup. Always use fresh paneer, never use any frozen or any other paneer. Similarly, we will make all the balls. For smoothing the paneer, it will take around 5 minutes. All the balls are ready. Our sugar syrup is ready. Now add them into the sugar syrup that we made. Keep the flames medium for 15 minutes. Now cover the lid and let the paneer balls boil in the syrup and absorb the syrup well. After 5 minutes you can see they have become large. If you want you can open the lid or else keep it closed. After every 5 minutes you can check it. After 10 minutes, turn them over. So it can cook for both the sides. Only after 10 minutes turn the rasgullas, till then do not disturb them. It has been total 15 minutes. Now let's turn off the flame and let it remain in for an hour so that they soften and soak the syrup well. After an hour, you can see with the help of your fingers, press it gently and remove excess syrup and dip it into the milk. You can see how soft and spongy they are even when we added not flour at all. It's only paneer. I have put all the rasgullas in milk. Keep it into the milk for 4 to 6 hours so that the milk goes in deep. You can freeze it and serve chilled later on. Rasmalai is ready. Let's offer it to Lord Jagannath by placing a tulsi leaf. Ekadashi special Rasmalai is offered and ready. Do try it this Ekadashi. Now let me show you. These are extremely soft and juicy with so many pores. If you like bhoga recipes, please like, share, subscribe and click on the bell icon below so you do not miss any bhoga recipe. Hare Krishna, Happy Ekadashi.